Hi everyone, it's Margie from Westchester Children's Museum once again, and I am here to do a really fun challenge with you today. But before we get started, I wanted to ask you a couple questions. So, what is an engineer? How do they create things? Do they use a certain process? So, an engineer is someone who usually solves a problem, and they create a structure or a system or a building, and they usually do it to solve a problem. And they have a really specific way of how they go about it. So first, what they want to do is they want to ask questions about what the problem is so they can figure out how to solve it. So they want to ask questions. And then what they want to do is they want to use their imaginations, okay? And they want to figure out with their imagination what the thing looks like that could solve their problem. And then here comes the fun part, because they want to plan it all out, maybe draw it on a piece of paper. And then they want to create it. And then they want to test it out. And if it needs improvement, make improvements on it. So that's what an engineer does. But we're going to do a fun project where you get, or I should say a challenge, where you get to be an engineer. So what we're going to do today is we're going to take a raw egg and we're going to figure out how we can drop this from high heights without it breaking. So you're going to have to be an engineer and create something to protect our egg from dropping. And I'm sure you've seen at home somebody drop an egg. It can create a big mess and a lot to clean up. So get ready to create or to do the challenge of creating something fun to protect your egg that you can drop it from high heights and your egg won't break. So there's just some things that you need to get started first. But this is going to be fun because you can really get creative with what you use to make your container that's going to protect your egg when you drop it from a high height. So I'll share with you a few things that I used to create my egg container to protect it. So I used tape, masking tape. I used some pom-poms. I used some paper cups. I used some pipe cleaners. I used some rubber bands in mine. I actually used a couple sponges from the kitchen. And you can also use some markers because you can decorate and draw on your container for your egg. And those are just a few things that I used. But you can pick so many different things at home. Go to your craft supplies and see what you have. And you can get creative, but remember, you have to protect your egg from breaking when you drop it from a high height. So think about what materials would work best. Okay, let's get started. So, I created a couple different egg containers. And I'll show you what I did and how I made them, but I want you to be creative on your own. So the first one I created, and we're going to test it out so you'll watch me drop it from a high height, is I created this container. So here I can put my egg inside with the sponges, and I'm going to seal it up, and then I can seal it up with a piece of tape. And my egg is secure inside there. What do you think? Do you think my egg will break when I drop it? I'm going to drop it from a high height. Then I created this other one. So this one, I used popsicle sticks. I used a piece of a pool noodle. I used a tape inside of a tape roll. And you know what? I found this coffee cup lid too. And I'm going to tape that on top after I put my egg in it. So we're going to try these out. What do you think will happen with each one of these? So here we are, we're outside, and we're going to test our first one. On your mark, get set, and go! Okay, and here goes test number 2. 1, 2, 3. So let's see what happened with my egg containers. Do you think my egg survived that fall? Let's see. So let's open test number 1. What do you think? Here we go. And yay! My egg is still not cracked. Okay, test number 2. What do you think? Let's open it up and see. And here's the surprise. Oh no! My egg cracked and broke. It is cracked, but still together. But you can see some of the cracks all along my egg. So, I hope you have fun doing this challenge on your own. And remember that if you are a good engineer, you're going to try and try again. And you're going to try using the steps that we talked about. So you want to ask and find out what the problem is to solve it. And then what you want to do is you want to use your imagination and try to think of what you could create. And then you want to draw out some plans of maybe what it would look like. Then you want to have fun and you want to create it. But there's always need for improvement. So I can take my test number 2 and maybe what could I change about it to improve it so the egg doesn't crack or break next time. So think about it. It's Margie from Westchester Children's Museum, and I hope you enjoy the challenge, and we will see you again soon. And please come visit us on our website for more fun STEAM and STEM activities. Thank you.